Hello YouTube, we're going to show the ZIPPO pipe lighter lighting some tinder. This is packed. This is shaved and ground and split with my pocket knife. See the little slivers in there? Like pine wood, fat wood. So there is a handful in here. I packed it in here. So it's super full. Here's the pipe lighter. This is what they look like. It does have the top of the hole in it. If you watch the video with the lighter, we're going to leave it out for this demonstration because it works without it in there. Then I could still light a cigarette if you want to. So here we go. That this stuff has a lot of sap is why it burns really good. There you go. We'll show you a picture with and without this insert in it. We have some taken from another video, or we'll find a clip and put it back in. It's back in the original box, but you do lose your windproof ability with this lighter with that big hole in the side. So I haven't tested outside in the wind, but I got to get that knack back how to get my lid open and closed. I can do it better that way. Okay, thanks for watching. Enough playing with the ZIPPO.